In this video, I want to make it quick how to set up the date and time on your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. Very easy. Step number 1, drag down from the top right corner. Step number 2, find the cogwheel right over here. This is the settings button and click on it. Then you're going to get this menu. All you have to do is to go down until you get to General Management, Date and Time. And from here, usually by default, once you get your phone, you should have automatic date and time. But if you don't want this, uncheck, and you're going to have the option to change the date. So click here, and you're going to have a calendar where you can choose another date and set the time. And you'll be able to choose another time than the one that is on the display. Press done at the end to save it. And this is about it. If you don't want the date and time to change when you're traveling, you simply have to uncheck automatic time zone. All right, and this will not modify your date and time after you set them up. But in my case, I want automatic date and time, so I'll just keep them on. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.